Hello TIs. Just want to make a quick video about noise campaign and what the Gangstalkers have been doing to me these last few days, and that is drive motorbikes really loudly outside of my house, and I've had my neighbour doing banging noises, and it's really annoying me, and they're trying to do it to provoke me. I don't know if you can hear any of these cars, loud vehicles outside. I've made numerous amount of videos of people slamming their car doors outside of my house for no reason. So I'm going to try and catch the noise of these idiots driving their motorbikes up and down like dickheads. What they want to do is they want to intimidate me with that noise. That's what they want to do. Right, that's why they drive loud vehicles up and down. Look, you can hear it, look. There's a motorbike. I don't know if you can hear it. Well, I'm trying to catch these idiots on camera right now. Noise campaign is what most TIs go through. Most targeted individuals go through noise campaigns, where maybe it's your neighbours making banging noises. I've had my next door neighbour slamming his door while he goes out in order to harass the fuck out of me. He goes downstairs and he slams the door downstairs as well. Look, you can hear the cars outside, their doors are being slammed really loudly. And it's all to let me know that I'm being targeted. And I'm hearing this shit constantly, every day, while I'm at home. These people still do it outside.